Subaru Legacy, twin turbo, 300 brake, that's the engine, nice filter, brand new battery, nice sound from inside. It revs pretty nicely. Nice rumble. So that was the one, GTB, imported from Japan, pretty cool. So yeah, hope you like the noise, nice induction, 3-inch. So we've got some parts in the boot, they're gonna go on the car soon. As you can see. Diff, front drive shafts, rear drive shafts, and some thermostat parts because it's leaking, so it's gonna be ready. As you can see, twin turbo. Had to glue some stuff on the battery. So yeah, see you soon on the rally stages.